Hello everyone, welcome back to Radiology Made DC, your all-time favorite radiology channel. Let's see today's case. This is a patient who presented with long-standing dyspnea and dry cough. High-resolution CT, axial sections and coronal sections are shown. What do you think about these images? A humble request from the Radiology Made DC team. Please take 5 seconds of your valuable time and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, please comment below what do you think of us. Your comments and feedbacks are very important in our future work. Interstitial fibrosis is noted in both lungs, which are worse at the periphery and more present at the bases. There is minimal traction bronchiectasis can be seen, but there is no honeycomb appearance. What do you think is the diagnosis? This patient has non-specific interstitial pneumonia or NSIP. Non-specific interstitial pneumonia is primarily idiopathic, but the pattern may also be associated with connective tissue disorders such as SLE and systemic sclerosis and other autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis and may be drug-induced. In young patients, we can see more NSIP than idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. In chest X-ray, it will be normal at first but then develops diffuse airspace opacities. In typical HRCT appearance, there is bilateral symmetrical subpleural ground glass change with reticular opacities. There is also traction bronchiectasis and consolidation later in the disease. Ground glass opacification dominates, not reticulation as seen with usual interstitial pneumonitis. There may be honeycombing later in the disease. What are the differential diagnoses? The key differential is a usual interstitial pneumonitis or UIP pattern with which there can be some overlap in imaging features. However, the features which favor the diagnosis of NSIP over UIP are symmetrical bilateral ground glass opacities with fine reticulations and sparing of the immediate subpleural space. The presence of macroscopic honeycombing and involvement of the subpleural region is almost diagnostic for UIP. Treatment and prognosis. In general, non-specific interstitial pneumonia carries a much more favorable prognosis than a UIP type pattern. Correct and early diagnosis has a significant impact on patients' outcome because it usually responds well to the corticosteroid therapy or cessation of underlying causes like drugs or organic allergens. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.